So got this mountain bike, 20-inch Scott, I think it's a Voltage something, ES20 or something. Large frame, 21 gears. So been talking here, so gonna go check it out, probably buy it. It's really cheap, but it seems legit. So this is the road going over a bridge here and end up here in the center of Eskilstuna. Okay, så jag är på väg nu. I'm on the road. Eskilstuna. It's about 50 kilometers, 45 kilometers perhaps. So it's within reach. Så. Här är Snickarvägen. Vilket nummer är vi på? Let's see. So I bought it 500 and I paid 200 for the able to lock and loaded to go home. So I'm heading home. The bike in the rear. The seller told me that there has been lots of calls. So really popular ad. Of course I knew that. I knew I had to be fast. I saw the ad about 45 minutes after it's been out. So I knew, and there were others who had been interested, but they didn't really respond. You know, wasn't fast to respond and so on. And I was. So of course, from the ad been out and to the I have it in the back, it's about 1 hour. So yeah, fast buying. Oh no, we got a bridge opening here. Bridge opening. Oh, so we gotta stand here for a while. What is it? Sailboat? Is it that one? Or is it something bigger? So it's the railway here going up. Now the main road is going up. Here it goes. Back at home, 6:57, and look what I got. I got a receipt for the one who had bought it. They have bought it new, of course, and this is the price. The normal price is 5,000 Swedish crowns, and then they got a lock and a kickstand. So they paid this much, and I paid 700 Swedish crowns for it. So good price. Let's see how much service it will need. Scott Voltage MX30. Feels nice. He had replaced this one, lizard skin, really nice. These are pretty, this costs a couple of hundred Swedish crowns. Yeah, and the gear works, brakes works. It's really dry tires, you can see they are. But got a Acera cheap entry grade stuff here. Shimano Cis. But yeah, it's heavy. It's a heavy frame, really heavy, but feels nice. I'm gonna convert this I think. Put a Tongsheng on it, TSDZ2. Rear rims. Keepy, I don't know about this. Have to look them up. Doesn't look like double, but should be right. It's from 2011, 2010 or something, this bike. We got the wires on top, that's great. Don't like them here. It's much easier to convert this one, so I'm gonna measure here, but I believe this is a 68 bottom bracket. So nothing strange there. The brakes are Tecro Novela, yes. And here you can see the dry tires, but I believe this is the original. So it hasn't been run a lot. Let's take the novella here also. Tekro disc HZ7. Cheap plastic crap. But hey, it's an entry-level bike. It's a large frame. And we got some Richie stuff here. Yeah! This was extra. He put on extra for his wife, so she could bike it. I believe their son has had it. So time to clean it up. It's all steel, no aluminium. It's heavy. The arm is aluminium, but the gears or the sprockets are steel, I believe. So they last a long time, but they are heavy. Doesn't look torn at all. Next step is cleaning. You can see that the chain has dropped sometimes and it's pretty greasy, and the crank arms are FCM 171. So it looks like a cassette. Shimano, I think it's MF-TZ2. So here we have it. It's a 14 to 28 rear sprocket cassette. So I put on the remover tool, Shimano, and I'm gonna use a big one here, 34 size, and I'm gonna use a big breaker bar. So I push it here, and just push. Easy peasy. This is the tool. You use it. So anyway, the bottom bracket feels really good on this one. So I think it's a BB26, Shimano BB26. So I'm gonna do the next side. This is you loosen it by going clockwise, and the other side is normal thread. So this side is normal. So that went easy, too easy. Sometimes these, especially if they're metal here and they're old, this is just 2011, so really fresh. But I had some more than 25-year-old and they can be really stuck, the bottom bracket. So how I did this tool, check another video with where I'm using this. Check my other videos, I explain the details. So the Shimano BB26, this is plastic cup. So not so sturdy as the aluminium one or steel ones. So let's remove this. I'm gonna put a Tongsheng TSDZ2 on this bike. Hopefully it will fit. Might be some problem with this straight. Oh, there we have it. So here we have the the BBUN26. Hope you can see it. So this usually works pretty well, but they're pretty cheap. The BBUN55 is a better option, but I couldn't order it last I tried. It's out of stock. Yeah. You can get the BBUN300 or something, but that's about the same standard as this. Check my other videos. The Univega, for example, has a BBUN300, I believe. So cleaned out them and got 9 bolts on each side, bigger bolts, and this was a bit bigger than they are on the older ones. 15 tool. You can see hardly some small grains there. Too tight. That's it. See it? So re-greased and put the balls back. Same here. So now it runs smooth again. Yes, really nice. Let's do the back wheel. It's the same here. Oh, this feels bad. Too tight. This is extra tear. So I've shown you in other videos, I'm just using a 15 here, a thin one, and I hold it against this one, so sort of like this. And you start with the side on the where you have the disc. This is normally too tight and it's hard to get access to this piece, so you start on that piece and then you pull it out from here. Well, we got some damages here. Focus, yeah, you can see it there. So yeah, that's too bad, too tight. Why? Now works fine. So after seeing this in too high, I don't believe this will fit, but let's try it. So as you can see, it's steel magnets, all three. You can see it on the cogs also, cogs. Number 14. So I'm bringing the bikes to the shop and gonna clean the hubs. And I'm gonna sell the green one. So good morning, I'm heading to Stockholm, going to work. I commute there, and I put some bike parts in the back. Hope you can see it. The green one, I'm gonna try to sell it in Stockholm. There's more people, easier to get better pay there. And then you have 2 rims I'm gonna clean and service. Yeah, so that's it. Come on. Can you fuel up the car?
Thought about this too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this.
So it runs fine. It's pretty nice to bike, pretty upright position, and yeah, sort of like it. It's a bit heavy, of course, about 15 kilos, and yeah, but the brakes are okay. Tektros